telling Jim, I said, I'm scared that he's gonna overdo it. He wants to get back
Why
to
should
doing
you be scared to death? You know he's gonna do it.
Yeah.
Can you have any control over it?
No.
So why worry about it?
No,
He's gonna do it anyway.
you're right.
He's gonna have to figure it out himself. We all do.
You got a man that works as hard as he has 6, 7 days a week for all these years. He ain't gonna slow him down none too easy.
That's my honey.
Braden,
Great.
there you go.
You want orange juice? Braden.
Yeah, I want orange juice.
Rice is almost cold.
I can't believe I lost my camera.
Why?
Here it is.
No,
Mama, before you leave today, remind me and I'll put the little protector over your camera.
Okay.
You gotta see that new camera, Mama.
A little bitty,
It's
bag.
pink.
I thought would be just perfect for it, but it wouldn't be.
Well, I've got a big one and you can cut it to size. That's what I did mine. And I didn't do it perfect, you can see, but it's better than it not having anything on there.
Where did you go, Mr. Braden? There you are.
Oh, did it?
Look at me and smile.
You have
Say
another
cheese.
cherry where
Cheese. Whoa! Braden.
like you need it.
Braden, look at me. Cheese.
Cheese.
One more time. Home. Cheese. Look at me.